Cloning a pricing plan. Go to Courses, open a course or scroll across to Pricing, and simply to clone one of your existing plans. And this is a really good way to save you a lot of time if you set up a plan and just need to make some changes. You can simply come across to the clone. Let's click clone. This will then open up with all of the settings from that. You can change this. Just quick amending of this. And then simply click update. And now your new or cloned pricing plan has been set in here with a new price. Let's go and see this on the page. And there we go. It's as simple as that with Zenler.